Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can detect objects using YOLO11, a local machine, and Google Colab. So as we see here in this image, we have cars and this number represents the confidence score. Here we have a person and handbag. This is the second image. As we see, this is a bench with the confidence score 94. So by the way, YOLO11 was trained on Coco datasets. So let's see these datasets. This is the official website. And this datasets contains 80 objects. So this is all available objects. 0 represents person, 1 bicycle, 2 car, until 79. So in this video, I show you how you can do this project step by step. First, let's install the important libraries. We need torch and ultralytics library. So go into cmd command line and write these two commands. In my case, I install these libraries. So here I import YOLO and I work with small model. So here we have 5 models as we see here. So this is nano, small, medium, large, and X represents extra. So we are going to use small model for rapid response. This is the path of my images. So this is the images, and here I call the model. Here we need the source and show to show the image, and this is the confidence score, and this is the output. So here I show the position of the bounding box, and this is the confidence, and this is the class ID. Let's run and see what happened. So as we see here, this is the position of the bounding box, and this is the confidence of the objects, and this is the ID class. So let's take here just one image for more understanding. So here I write just this image in the source. So as we see here, we have a bunch. So this is the confidence score, and this is the ID 13, and the one represents I have just one bench. So let's take the second group of images. Let's run. So this is the result. Here in this image we have a person with a bicycle, and this is the confidence score of each object. And here we have 2 persons and 1 car. Let's try to connect my camera and try to detect the object in real time. So this is the result. This is my face. So here I have just CPU without GPU. Now I show you how you can use this code in Google Colab. I will share with you this notebook. So here I install just ultralytics. I copy all this code. So here let's try to import some images. So I click here. So let's try to import these 2 images. And here I copy the path. So I pass it here. This is the first path, and I pass the second one. So here I put image 1. So first let's try to install this library. So as we see here, we have T for GPU, or to modify the execution environment, go into execution, modify execution, and choose T for GPU. So here I installed the library, so I don't need this one. So I run the second block and see what happened. I forgot to change my camera with EMGS. So as we see, this is the result. So in the first image we have 2 persons, 1 bicycle and 1 car, and in the second image we have 8 persons with 4 bicycles in this image. So here to draw the bounding box, and this is the name of the classes. We have 0, 1, 2. Let's go into Google datasets. 0, 1, 2. This is the name of the classes. I wish this video will be helpful for you, and we will meet in other videos.